right. Hi,
Okay.
Mauro. Thanks
Hello.
so much for coming today.
Oh, my pleasure.
This is my dog Waffles. It's been a crazy couple of weeks.
Yeah.
We actually just moved into this house.
Wow.
But I'm having a baby and I'm due next month, and
All right.
it's just a little too pink. We're looking for something a bit more neutral.
Got it. So, any color that you're thinking about for this room?
I was thinking of doing like a greenish color.
Okay. I like that. So, every time when I come into a painting project, I like to understand the purpose of the room.
Right.
All right. And if this is going to be a nursery, maybe you want to bring some color that brings you some tranquility when you're going to stay here with your baby, and the color helps a lot. So some colors that makes you feel comfortable in the room. At the same time, baby and mom will be very happy in here.
Yeah, that's honestly good to know. And I was thinking too that since the room's empty, we could do some sort of accent on the wall as well.
All right, I like that, but let's paint this whole room first, and then we'll talk about the accent color.
Okay,
All right?
sounds good.
We're going to paint this room just the way we would paint any room. We start with the prep, take down the curtain rods, remove cover plates, and protect the floors, baseboards, and the outlets. Then we'll cut the edges and roll the walls.
There we go. Now you go all the way up, and all the way up and down. Yeah, all the way down to the bottom.
Oh my gosh, I painted on the windowsill and on the ceiling already.
All right, I'm gonna get you a wet rag. Be right back. All right, wet rag.
Okay.
Don't wait for the paint to dry, okay? Just clean it right away. Okay, good as new.
Perfect.
You always go back, spread the paint a little more.
You're so good at cutting those lines.
Well, you will be great if you practice like this.
Yeah. Mauro, why are we not priming?
Well, every time when you paint over a surface that has been painted already, you do not need primer.
Oh, really?
Yes. If you go down like a bare plaster, fresh plaster, then you do need to put a coat of primer on. See, when you're cutting around, thermostat or any stuff like this, it's very, very tight and very difficult to get your brush net. Just as
Right.
very tip, and you're gonna make the brush to dance a little bit. Well, now the first coat's dry, and we can repeat the same as we did before. Well, Emily, the walls are completely dry and it's ready for the accent wall.
Perfect. Yeah, I like this wall for an accent wall because I think that it just has some nice dimension to it.
I like that too because you see that slanted wall diving right into the wall here. So if we do an accent here, it's going to look really good, and this will make part of that. What you have in mind?
I was thinking of doing 2 arches.
Arches?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
So how wide do you want the arches to be?
I was thinking maybe like this wide.
Okay. What about, well, we got 20, 25, we got 26.
Yeah, I think 26 looks good.
Okay, just put a mark right there. All right, very good. Now, how tall do you want this?
Yeah, so how tall do you think that we should do it so that it doesn't hit?
I'll say we
top
got
part.
24 inches wide, 38 inches, or maybe 40 inches.
Okay.
You want to put a mark right in there?
Yeah.
We're going to put right here at the mark. Let's put that on level. Now, we're going to do this. We're going to draw a line right there. Okay, we're going to do the same way on that side. You want to do that?
Sure.
All the way down. We're going to get the pencil here with the string, and then we're going to put this right in the center here, which is half of the 26. We're going to trace the lines. I'm gonna make the arch.
Oh, cool.
What do you think?
Looks really good.
All right, how big do we want to do the other one?
I think we're the top of the arch.
All right, cool. Go up, don't loosen up, keep straight, yeah. Keep going,
I'm stuck.
keep going, just, yeah. Keep going down here.
Perfect.
Okay, now we can tape. And this is how we're gonna do. We're gonna start from the straight point here. We're gonna put the tape on the outside of the line, okay?
Okay.
Press it down. So this is a very thin, low-tack tape.
Okay.
Won't pull the paint or anything. Down the bottom. Got it.
To get to the curves of the arch, we can rip small sections of tape at a time and curve it around the reference line.
This is the hardest part of this whole process.
Okay. I actually find this to be not as hard because I don't have to be crouching over.
Guess what time it is?
It's time to paint.
Let's do it. All right, you do the green.
Okay.
And I will do the beige.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
All right. Roller will do all the work for you.
Okay.
All right. If you run out of paint, get more paint.
We're definitely gonna need a couple coats on this one.
You will, yes. Second coat is done.
Okay.
Let's remove the tape while the paint is still wet. There's one more thing to do. You see that gap?
Yes.
Just gonna have to fill that in with paint, but this time we're not gonna use tape.
Okay.
It's gonna be freehand.
You can use the tape for this final section, but it's important that the paint for the arches is completely dry. I use a paintbrush all time, so I am comfortable freehanded.
What do you think?
I love it. It looks amazing. It's so much calmer in here, and I think it's going to be perfect.
Absolutely. You got three great colors there that the combination of the three together looks nice, peaceful. This is all the meaning for this whole room, right?
Yeah.
All right, enjoy the room. Good luck with everything.
Thank
Any
you so
more
much.
projects, let me know.
Okay, perfect.
All right,
Sounds
thank you.
good. Rafi, do you like the room?
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.